This is Opakya's last fight. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Manny Opakya!
Hello, Manny. Manny, totoo ba na ito na ang last fight mo?
Sinasabi ko nga pero nagdalawang isip ako eh. Kasi I have a second thought yung, basta nagdalawang isip lang ako.
Okay, Manny. Pero ano ba talaga ang gusto mo maging? Boxer or politician?
Pwede rin, pwede yung pagsabayin, pwede yung boxer, pwede yung politician, pero mas gusto ko talaga yung preacher.
Great preacher.
Gusto ko maging preacher. Ayoko na kasi yung para sa halip na impeachment na lang yung gagawin natin. Because I'm very religious and I always pray.
Oh, talaga ba yan?
I wake up before I jump into boxers. I say a little prayer for me. The moment I pray this, before I put on my jockstrap. I say a little prayer for me. Forever and ever I pray whenever I pray for me. Ever and ever I pray whenever I pray for me.
Pray ang streaming Manny. Yes!
Kamunti ka
Nako!
na dun,
Yes! Yes, nahabol ko yun, Manny! Talaga naman, religious ka na talaga. Praise the Lord! Ano? Okay, paano yan eh? Maawa ka na yan sa kalaban mo, baka hindi mo na masuntok.
Siguro, pag sinunto ko siya, di magiging nila ako, sorry nasaktan ko. Pero parang ayoko na yata talaga kasi lumaban.
Ayaw mo na? Baka ano kayo masasabi ng coach mo na si Freddy Cockroach? Cockroach? Coach?
What's your name? Hey, you have to focus on the fight, right? You have to focus on the fight. Alright? Focus! The fight. Huh?
What did you say? What did you say?
You have to fight, you have to focus. You have to fight.
Mag-focus pero it is fun, it is fun.
You have to, you have to, you have to. That's the thing. You have to, you have to, you have to. That's the face. Put the punch in place, come on man.
Nako, alam mo coach, ayoko talaga yan kasi Lady Gaga yan eh. I don't like that. I am a religious.
Coach, paano yan? How will you solve this? Coach?
Jiggy, Jiggy,
Hello,
get in here.
Friends, Miss Jenky.
Jiggy,
Opakya.
Jiggy, tell your husband to
Nice
fight.
job.
Jiggy, do your job. Get your husband to fight right now.
Konti kasi
Do your job.
konti lang yung
Oh, you're back.
Miss
You're back.
Jenky,
You're
pwede mo
back.
naman ibigay sa akin yung iba.
Ang dami mo kasing dinadala ng mga bagay.
Jiggy.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you so much. Chiki, Manny, nasa ka? Manny, you have to fight. You have to fight. Kailangan lumabang ka. Lumabang ka, Manny, kasi kailangan mo lang bagang hormones na gawa sa balat ng sibuyas.
Hindi na makakilos yung mukha mo ah.
Manny, kaya ka. Lumabang ka, because Manny, you are born to fight, Manny.
alaga rin yan eh. Ayoko niyan. Alam mo, dapat magsisi ka. Imingit ka ng tawad.
Hindi mo, hindi mo. Dalawa mo kami, hindi! Upa ko na! Galit na ako, hindi na halata!
Oh no!
Galit na galit na!
Guys, this is Upakya! Ay, wag ka makakat! Ay, tulong! Help! Mami, Julie!
Ay, Mami Juning!
Ako talaga mag-awat. Hindi, wag mo. Sinugatan ang anak ko. Bakit yun?
Mami Juning! Huwag ka nang ingirap dito, ha?
Ikaw ang huwag makikilang. Asawa ka lang, guys.
Ako nga, Manny! I was never your wife! I'm just your partner!
Tama ka lang, Igor. Partner ka lang. I'm the mother and I'm the guru.
Ang maganda ka pa!
Guru ka siya.
Bakit?
Ayun na, sasayo na naman ang mami. Buti na lang, dito ka umanap.
Hindi ka ka, laki ka ka.
Nakakaya ko kasi mabag ko.
Mami, may sabihin sana ako sa'yo eh. Okay
Ano
lang.
sabi mo, anak?
Okay lang ba na hindi na ako lumaban talaga?
Anak, lahat ng gusto mo, susundin ko. Lahat na talaga sa sakyan. Sasakyan kita. Gusto ko mag-break. Together we will break.
Come on, let's dance.
Gusto ko mag-break. Together we will break. Gusto ko mag-relax.
Shopping tayo na.
Gusto ko mag-miss. Todo tayo na. Kung gusto ko mag-borrow. Hanap ko sa'yo. Di ko na alis. Masaya ng iglesia. O anak ko. Kumain.
Yan.
Everybody.
Memorize yan.
At ang gusto mo.
Hindi ko na sinasabi.
Sasakyan kita.
Presyo, presyo.
Sasakyan. Ulit ako.
Okay! Okay na naman pala para kay Mami Julie na hindi na lumaban si Manny. Eh, si Bradley kuya, okay na lang kaya kay Bradley? Bradley?
Dito ka sa front niya. Paano nakarating yung dito sa Pilipinas?
Yo, Manny, what's this I'm hearing? You can't walk away from this fight, man. It's been 6 months and I've been preparing for myself. What, you don't want to fight me? Do you understand? Wait, excuse me, I'm not talking to you.
I'm sorry.
Yo, Manny, you understand?
Galit.
Oh, that's great. Yes. Yes, Oli. What did you say? You can hear it?
I said you can't walk away from the fight.
It's alright.
Yung pala Illuminati.
Let you leave without trace. When I stand here waiting for the fight with you.
Kala ko ang bitches na.
You're the only one
Kala ko bitches.
who I want. So take a punch at me now. There's just an empty ring. There's no one left here to fight me. I want to punch you in the face. So take a punch at me now. Yo, Manny, punch me, punch me.
Anak, pants mo siya.
Pants ka daw niya.
Oh no! Naku po! Nag-uupakan na si Bradley at si Upakya! I need a referee! Referee! Referee!
Huwag niyo akong upakan yung chicks ko.
Stop it!
Referee!
Stop it! Stop it!
Masakit sa
Stop
chicks.
it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop the fight! Stop!
No, this is not over.
Oh no! No!
Oh, my chicks! My chicks! Don't.
No! Stop it!
We're gonna fight for it. Come on.